Hi, in this video, you're going to learn how to write your own ebook in 5 steps. If you've always wanted to write your own ebook and publish it online, whether it's a Kindle ebook or just an ebook that people can download as a PDF document, then follow these 5 steps. Step 1, topic generation. The first thing you're going to want to do is brainstorm some topics on what ebook you want to write about. Is your ebook going to be about gardening? And if it is about gardening, what specific niche inside the gardening topic are you going to talk about? So get very specific with what topic you're going to talk about. A good way to start is just to get a piece of paper, write down all the topics that you'd like to talk about based on your passions, your interests, and your hobbies. And that should be a good start for you. The next step is audience targeting. Who are the readers? Can you picture them? What are the personas? Basically, what is the avatar? Are they males, females? What age group are they? Are they 35 to 45 years old? Which country are they from? So get very specific as well in this step, so then you can narrow in and just speak to those people in that demographic. The more specific you are about your audience, the easier it will be for you to write the actual ebook, because now you don't think about catering and writing for a broad and general market. Rather than doing that, you're speaking to that one type of person in that segment. So this is an important step before you actually start writing your ebook. Step 3, create a table of contents. What I mean by this is to create a framework, or in other words, a skeleton version of your ebook. This will make the process of writing your ebook a lot easier. So have an introduction, have chapters, have a conclusion, have a summary or action steps that people need to take, and what important steps and topics need to be covered inside your ebook. Think of it as a blueprint for you to follow. Once you've nailed down on your table of contents, you can then start writing your ebook, which is step number 4. Write. When you're writing your ebook, it doesn't need to be perfect at the start. If you think too much about what you're going to say, then the whole process will take a lot longer and you're going to end up procrastinating. So rather than backspacing or crossing out things, just let your mind flow and write as you think. Don't worry about formatting, styling, and making things bold or using headings. That will come into the next step, which is editing and proofreading. The first thing you're going to want to do is just proofread it. Go through it yourself, see what needs to be edited, what needs to be modified and improved as well. It's a good idea to also pass your ebook, in this case it would be a draft, to a friend or family member and let them read through it as well and see where they can help and make suggestions as well. You might need to change some words that are very technical or jargon-like so that you can speak in layman's terms rather than making it all mumble-jumble. To summarize, step 1, generate some topics about your ebook. Step 2, think about your persona, your avatar, or the audience that you're targeting, the demographics. Step 3, create a table of contents or framework for your ebook. Step 4, write your ebook without thinking too much about getting everything right at the start. And lastly, step 5, edit and proofread your ebook.